How to use WhatsApp in airplane mode. To get started, first of all, you need to swipe down the control center from above. Then, you need to tap on this airplane icon right over here. All your options will be disabled. Then, you need to turn on your Wi-Fi. Connect to the nearest Wi-Fi and make sure that the Wi-Fi signal is strong. Then swipe up and open the WhatsApp application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on the text bar at the bottom. Type in a message over here, and once you're done, hit the send button. And as you can see, even with the airplane mode on, you're still able to use WhatsApp without any issues. Just keep in mind that you can only use Wi-Fi and not your mobile data when the airplane mode is turned on. So, by following these simple and easy steps, you can go ahead and use WhatsApp in airplane mode.